The only brownies I ever ate growing up were these. It's the recipe my mom would make to bring to PTA meetings. We had it for dessert at dinner parties. Like, these brownies are always a hit. Hi, I'm Alexis DeBoschnek, and today I'm going to show you how to make my one bowl fudgy brownie recipe for my upcoming cookbook, To the Last Bite. There's walnuts, there's salt, it's fudgy, sweet, savory. It's really my perfect brownie. First, I like to line the pan with parchment paper just so it's easy to bring them out of the tray. Place the chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave it in 30-second intervals just until the chocolate's melted. Now that the chocolate's melted, you're going to add the melted butter and use a hand mixer to beat until just combined. Now, add the sugar, combine again. Alternatively, you can do this in a stand mixer or even by hand. Add vanilla extract and eggs. And once again, beat until combined. Add kosher salt and flour and just carefully combine, making sure not to overbeat the batter. These are really fudgy brownies. They've got an incredible texture. I add some walnuts for a bit of crunch and some flaky sea salt on top, so you're really balancing that sweet, savory flavor profile. But if you don't like walnuts or have an allergy, you can use another type of nut. Pour the brownie batter into the pan and then use a spatula to smooth the top. Pop them in the oven and they're going to bake for 25 minutes. I like to top my brownies with some flaky sea salt, but it's really important that you let them cool for at least 30 minutes. You just lift them out of the pan, slice away, and enjoy. One of the reasons I love these brownies is that it's all done in one bowl. Easy to make, easy cleanup, what could be better than that? This is just one recipe in my upcoming cookbook, To the Last Bite. It comes out April 19th, and there's over 100 recipes, many of which were inspired by my childhood, like these brownies. They're fudgy, they're sweet, they're salty, the perfect texture. I really hope you make these brownies.
Oh, yes!